Welcome to Which Thermos is the Hottest? Here we have competitor number 1, competitor number 2, competitor number 3. And here we have competitor number 1. The classic thermos. It is 10 ounces and is made in China. And competitor number 2. This is the Reduce Everyday container. It is also 10 ounces and is made in China. And last but not least, competitor number 3. The build container is 12 ounces and may be the winner because it's bigger. This one's hot. Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Next one.
This one's not as hot as the last one.
Next one.
This one's not even hotter than the one before.
Which one is keeping the heat inside better?
This one.
4 hours later.
It's been 4 hours. Let's see what the temperatures are. Well, in conclusion, these two are the same, so I was kind of right, kind of wrong. Well, I guess I have 2 thermoses to use now. These 2 are the ones I will use.